Hey guys, I'm the 50s kid. You know, a lot of you have been commenting for the last few months about my weight loss. And I really appreciate you noticing. I figured I might as well kind of make a video on it because I keep getting the same questions over and over again. And the question really is, how did you do it? And one question in particular is, are you sick? Which I think is kind of funny. Some people are thinking that I've lost weight so rapidly because something's wrong with me, like I'm sick, maybe I have cancer or something. That's not the case at all. I'm fine. I'm healthy now. I'm not sick, I'm healthy because I'm eating right and I've been exercising. I've been riding this bike basically 5 days a week during the week, about an hour every day. So yeah, I actually have owned this bike since before I started the channel. This was my hobby right before I got into cars. I looked like this before I started the channel actually. And yeah, then I got super focused on the channel and lost interest in this and unfortunately gained a lot of weight because I had bad eating habits and stuff. But I'm back to normal now, I guess. And yeah, so hopefully I'll continue this. I'm still going and I'm still loving it. So it's all good. So yeah, in addition to the exercising, I'm actually cooking now. I used to eat out for every meal, which was really bad. I've never been a breakfast person, but I would always eat out for lunch and dinner. And that just, you know, it's too much food. It's not good food. It's much better when you're kind of cooking for yourself. So I'm glad I've gotten into that again. Because again, I used to be into that too. And yeah, I actually watch a lot of different cooking channels on YouTube and I'm commenting there. And it's funny, I'll leave a comment and then inevitably one of you who have seen one of my videos in the past will be like, oh, he doesn't just work on BMWs, he cooks too, or something like that, which is really funny. YouTube's really good at making those connections and stuff. So yeah, so I'm into that. You know, I've always been into a lot of different things. There's a lot of stuff that I never really cover on this channel. But, you know, cooking is one of those things. And then lately, I guess last year, it was getting into making bread, like sourdough bread, and then pizzas recently too. You know, cooking in like an outdoor pizza oven, like an uni, if you've heard of that. Yeah, there's just like a lot of different things I'm always interested in. And so it's always been more than cars. Unfortunately, cars right now are something that I think my interest is waning a little bit, you know? I'm not saying that I'm going to quit the channel again or take a break from the channel again at all, but you might have noticed that my output on the videos has dropped a little bit. And that's just a reflection of my interest level in cars at the moment. I still want to keep doing it, but you know, it's just not a super big interest for me. So that's why my output has dropped. So like I said, I'm going to keep doing it. I'll keep on going and everything, but you know, just everything in moderation. I don't want to make it a chore to do this because then I'm going to hate it and I'm really not going to want to do it. You know, I want to do it when I want to do it, you know? So that's kind of the story there. Anyway, I'm enjoying myself, I'm good, I'm healthy, and I'm trying to keep everything in balance these days. So that is the answer to my weight loss. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you keep on watching. Like I said, I'll keep coming up with these videos and I'm hoping to make them good ones. So stay tuned and yeah, thanks for watching.